So this is where we're staying at. It's called the Victoria Falls Safari Lodge. It's pretty big, and right now it is scorching hot. It's October. I think this is their hottest season. So let me just show you around. This is the outside area. And then this is the reception area. You can come down here. We have some nice architecture here. I think I said that wrong, but architecture. That crocodile looks real, but it's not. And they call this the Buffalo Bar. And here you have the bar area. Sorry.
It's okay.
And it's a nice concept area, open, large. They do have the little swimming area right there. Let me take you around. And then we have Babe out here sipping on some cold beverages. How you liking it?
Well, hello, babe.
How's the drink?
Thank you for welcoming me. This drink is amazing. It's smooth, flavorful. Let me tell you, the alcohol is on point over here.
Oh, really?
Show them the background, my queen.
And that over there is called the watering hole.
You can really get back it in. You're not that big.